Okay, so I am going to showing you how to place basic wall sweeps in Revit and all of the setting and option we have there. Then I am going to be showing you how to create a custom sweep profile and then how to apply that profile to your sweep. Let's go straight to Revit. Just create a wall. You can see here in Revit I have created the wall. I am just going to be using this wall to place our first sweep. Okay, we wanna go here on the wall tools, architecture tab, expand the name. First you go in 3D view. Okay, we have this wall. For the sweep we wanna go in the wall tab, expand it. You will see the word sweep. Just click on the word sweep. After selecting the sweep, here on the modify you will see horizontal, vertical and restart wall. Here you can see horizontal, vertical and restart wall sweep. In this case I am going to place it horizontal and click here. Okay, so here we have the sweep. Okay, here we have the sweep. Select the sweep. You can flip it off by clicking here. You can flip it off and down. Okay, you can edit the size as per your requirement. Suppose you want 10 feet down, you can adjust it as per your requirement. Or if you want to add the sweep, or you want to add the offset. Suppose you want offset from the wall. Suppose you want 6-inch offset, 6-inch offset from the wall. You can see it's away from the wall 6 inch. Okay, in this way you can adjust your offset. So here we need 0 0. Okay, now in edit, you will see here cut walls checkbox. Okay, cut wall. Here cut by insert. Cut wall means you can see here cut walls, cutting through the walls, not overlapping. Here cut by inserts, cut by window or not. If we click here and apply it, okay, if I decide to put window here, let's see window. Suppose I place this window here. can see here it's caught the sweep automatically. You can adjust the window. Suppose you want to place this window here, it will cut the sweep automatically. Okay, in this way you can use the sweep, wall sweep. Okay, if you want this, suppose if you want this sweep this side, just click here, add and remove. You will see the sweep has been added to this side also. In this way you can use this sweep, wall sweep. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can just comment me. I will explain you again. Thank you for watching the video.